So let's look at how we solve this problem. I'm showing the picture here, but we could also write this as a chemical equation, which might be more useful. So we have 3H2 plus N2 to give us 2NH3. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that part in there. And the question is, how many moles of N2, I'm going to underline that, will react with 9 moles of H2? So in this question, we have two things we care about. We care about the N2, we care about the H2. So those are the two things that we want to include in our conversion factor. In this particular question, we don't care about the NH3. In a different question, we might. So I'm going to write down 3 moles H2 equals 1 mole N2. Okay, so we have that information. That will be our conversion factor. And we have 9 moles of H2, so I'm going to write that down. And then I'm going to write a conversion factor here. We have 1 mole of N2 on the top, 3 moles of H2 on the bottom. Okay, we're setting this up so that the H2 will cancel out moles of H2, and we're left with units of moles of N2. One thing I want to note here, and this might be something you were able to sort of skip over in Module 5, when we do this, we don't just write moles. We have to include moles of what? Because as you can see, we have moles of N2 and moles of H2. And if we weren't clear here, it would be very easy to get confused with this conversion factor. So make sure you are writing H2, N2 in addition to the word mole. When we do the math, you have 9 divided by 3, so you get 3 moles of N2. Okay, so that is how we do that.